Righto, welcome to another video tutorial on preparing yourself for drawing the rubber band car here, but this would be my second video in regards to beginning to sketch, and this one is all about 1 point perspective. So we're going to start by drawing a line across your page just through the middle. Again, using those skills from the last one, but this time we're going to put a little dot in the middle of the page. That is going to become our vanishing point. And this is called 1 point perspective. Alright, so labelling it's not a bad idea, it gets you into your head so you know what you're doing. You might have done this before, but hopefully learning to sketch this becomes a new skill for you. So we're going to reuse the skills we used before, and we're going to draw a box. So I'm just going to draw a box, remembering working with a horizontal, turn my page, again doing 2 more horizontal lines. Key is that they're touching in the corners like this one is, and it's lovely. What we do now, once we've drawn our box, we take it back to the vanishing point. So all of them back to the vanishing point. Am I worried that it's not perfect? Not at all. What I'm going to now do is my next horizontal line to show me where the back of the box is. Turn that back around and I should be able to finish that off as a horizontal line like so. So finish it out, draw it in nice and dark so it pops off the page. If you wanted to, you could do a bit of shading to make that look a bit more realistic as well. But we don't really need to do that. It does help make it look a bit better. Alright, so I'm going to do another one. So again, using your horizontal lines, I nearly did it around the wrong way. Alright, so turning it horizontal. Okay, box is drawn. Now I take it back to the VP. This one here only needs 2 lines to the VP because these guys will be behind it. Won't ever be seen. So again, marking in my horizontal lines. Whoa, must be a bit of a divot underneath my piece of paper there. Alright, you can see there I've lined that guy in. Once I start to do a few lines back that way, hide that bad line there. That looks okay too. So what I'm after you all doing is a page full of 1 point perspectives. So if you feel keen and you reckon you can crack on with it, you can stop watching the video now if you wanted to and get drawing yourself some really amazing boxes on the paper, remembering to turn the paper and do those horizontal, work with horizontal lines as you're turning the paper. So I'm trying to get it back around to that same kind of line every time when I turn the paper. I'm trying to keep my body memory working on the same thing, and the better I do that, the better my sketches end up looking. So yeah, I'm just going to keep going and finish this whole page off with some squares. So just fill it. If you're going to go on and stop watching, fill the page with squares. That is the goal. That'll be what your teacher will want from you as you hand in your progress on these sketches. So I'm just going to keep going through and show you. So hang around, it'd be great if you do. Watch it all the way to the end. And what I'm trying to do is just fill up my page with these and have them pop too. So wherever I put these squares, that they're just popping off the page, and you're not seeing all my lines that vanish to the VPs. You're seeing my ooh, see how that one's gone off on an angle? That's okay, we'll just work with him. That one's a bit dodgy too. At the end of the day, I make mistakes, just be bold about how you bring it back together, and we are, at the end of the day, still just practicing, so that's all that matters. So I would probably just try and straighten that up a bit with my eye there. Alright, nearly done. One more I think, and we'll be good. Another one over this side. Like so, remembering horizontal lines by turning the page, actual for real horizontal lines now, and then the lines that go back to the VP, still at all point trying to continue to practice that turning the page. So once you've finished that, it'd be great if you then take a photo of it and upload it to your OneNote. So there, thus endeth the lesson on 1 point perspective. So just practice it. Get some more paper, try again. Keep turning that page, keep those lines happening. you know, keep everything, keep your square nice. Make sure those lines are vertical, make sure those lines are horizontal, and these ones back here stay horizontal, that one stays vertical. It's one of the keys to really good one-point perspective. Make sure you upload it to OneNote for your teacher to mark. Alrighty, thank you.